Hey everybody, AE Josh here, and today I'll be showing you the recently viewed listings marketing tool that you have available. So first, once we're on our dashboard here, access the marketing tools by going in the top left to menu, and then we're going to go ahead and find marketing here. Next, we're going to find the recently viewed properties section right here, and to turn it on, just make sure it goes from off to bottom slider, and we're going to go ahead and update that. And once it's been updated, now we're going to track the listings that these users click on. So you'll notice, for example, on the bottom left, now I have some addresses scrolling through. And rather than go through and find these listings over again, it's actually saved them for me. So I can toggle back to the ones I've previously looked at and actually click on them from right here. So it makes a better experience for your user. And I can keep doing that with any of the other listings that I have seen. That is it for this tutorial. Stay tuned for our next one.